Hey everybody, I'm Rob Freeman. Welcome back to Ensuring the Built Environment. And this week we're talking about cyber risk and specifically 3 ways that your company can protect itself in an increasingly dangerous environment if you are relying more and more on digital media. And companies are basically in a day-to-day battle, an asymmetrical warfare with cyber criminals that are bombarding you with fake emails and voicemails and text messages and maybe even doctored video that you can't tell whether it's real or not. And so companies need to do 3 things. The first is they need to train their internal employees and their external contractors to spot fraudulent emails, fraudulent text messages, videos, and other things like that that can help them not click on those emails or send them to spam. And obviously you can rely on things like antivirus software to kind of catch things ahead of time, but there's so many of these emails and voicemails and things like that being sent out that some inevitably get through. So employees need to be trained to spot this stuff, and it will help your company reduce its risk if you get that type of training. So that's the first thing. The second thing is cyber liability insurance, first and third party cyber liability insurance. And what that does is it protects your company and your company's partners, your customers, your business clients in the event that an email or something else gets through, malware, a ransomware attack, a phishing email, anything that gets through that your employees click on, or something that happens in your company that leads to some sort of a cyber-related attack. It could be a phishing email, social engineering, it could be malware, it might be ransomware, or it could just be a data breach that gets, maybe your employees, or it could be your customers that are exposed. And so cyber liability is designed to protect you and make you whole in the event that you have suffered some sort of financial loss or physical loss as a result of a cyber attack. And that brings me to the third thing, which is today these attacks are becoming increasingly sophisticated, and some are so real looking that you can't even tell the difference. And I'm talking specifically about something called a deep fake. Deepfakes are this new synthetic media that essentially takes the likeness of one person and puts the words of another person in that person's mouth. It synthesizes a face or a voice or both into a video that looks so real that you can't tell it's not. And you may have seen these deepfake videos, like they have them for Tom Cruise and Mark Zuckerberg, and you've seen them for like Barack Obama and Donald Trump, other world leaders and celebrities. Some of them are so sophisticated that you really have to kind of look twice. And so in a world where we're increasingly relying on digital media to do our day-to-day business, we're on Zoom calls, we're on Skype calls or team calls, or maybe you're even just logging in to do like a telehealth visit. How do you know that what you're listening to is real? Or if you get a voicemail from someone, how do you know that that voicemail is real? Well, the third way that you can protect yourself is by working with a company that provides software that helps you detect whether the video or the audio is actually real or has been tampered with. And about a week ago, I listened to a podcast with a company that was being interviewed, a company called Attestive. And what they're doing is they're a software as a service provider that, and I'm not affiliated with them in any way, I just thought that was a very cool software solution that they're offering. They are offering a way to detect whether some digital media has been altered in some way. Either it's a video or a digital photo or some other type of media. They can tell and red flag it whether it's been tampered with in some way, whether a deep fake whether a video is real or it's a deep fake, or whether a photo has been taken, a photo of a photo of a photo, or has been altered in some way. And they timestamp it and they put it on a blockchain that can't be altered once it's been uploaded there. And so it's interesting because hopefully it'll happen in real time at some point, where this type of solution will work with an antivirus and will also work with cyber liability to provide sort of a full comprehensive package that companies can use in addition to training to help them better be able to protect themselves against this asymmetrical warfare that they're fighting every day. So again, there's three ways that you can protect yourself. There's internal training, there's insurance for cyber liability, and then there's using some other software that might help you detect whether the media that you're listening to or watching is real. And I'll put below this video, I'll link to some more information on Testive and these other solutions. But anyway, hope this has been helpful. If you have questions about your insurance or you need to look into solutions for your company in some way, please feel free to schedule an appointment with me, and I look forward to talking to you. Thanks again, and have a great day.